Hey everyone, my name is Keqing Song. I am the community manager on the Fusion 360 team. You can see behind me, we're at BattleBots 2021 World Championships. There's about 65 teams here in Las Vegas competing for that #1 title. And yeah, we want to give you guys an inside look at some of the teams, what they're like, what inspired them to design the robots that they've designed, and yeah, just an inside look. So come on in and let's check it out. All right, hey, Team HiJinx.
Hey.
Good to meet you. Let's introduce yourselves. What's your name?
I'm Orion Beach, and I am the lead designer and driver of HiJinx.
Cool, awesome. And
I'm Jen Herkenroder. I'm the captain and lead fabricator for HiJinx.
oh, so cool. Good to meet you guys. Tell us about HiJinx. How did you guys get together? What's the story? What's your story like?
Well, I was running Scorpio Season 3, and Jen was on Battle Royale with Cheese, and she was helping out a bunch of teams with fabrication. And the next season, Zach came in and led the team while I was really busy with work. And it was great to bring Jen on because she was available to pick up as a team member and do some fabrication work on Scorpios.
What got you guys into robotics?
I think we've both always really been like tinkerers and builders and makers, so like neither of us come from big money, so we've been improvising machines for a long time, modifying RC cars, making robots out of things we had around, and then as we've like grown career-wise, our ability to build larger robots has also increased.
What is the inspiration behind like HiJinx as like the name? I see that you guys have owls, and like owls is a big theme for the team.
Originally, when we were building and like designing the new robot, it was going to be the new Scorpios, and the original renders show it with like a big scorpion tail, but BattleBots preferred Scorpios to remain a top attack robot because they wanted to keep it as it was.
Okay.
So they said, we like your new design, but you need a new theme for it. And by the way, you have 48 hours. So me and Orion and his partner Adrian were just sitting around the kitchen, like making jokes, pulling up memes, like listening to music, and probably getting a little bit punchy. And we're just like, what would make us happy? What would be fun? What would be like really exciting for fans to see?
Yeah.
And we decided like, if we're not going to be Scorpios, then it should be nothing like a scorpion. So the whole color scheme had to change. And then we're like, well, what does it look like? It kind of looks like a bird.
Yeah.
And what would be a good bird for this? And like the owl is a pretty good rep, a perfect fit. So it all came together.
Yeah, and the robot design itself, the undercutter with the tail and the big blade was inspired by another robot builder, Russ Barrow, and he builds a bunch of small robots that are really fierce competitors, and I've fought them many times, and I just never seen this design executed at the scale, and I definitely took some inspiration from that, and then did a whole bunch of things totally different than he does on small bots, because scaling up a small bot is not quite as direct as you might imagine.
How's this season going for you guys?
The new version of HiJinx, HiJinx 2.0, is definitely doing better than our first version last year. I think we've improved every single thing on the robot over the course of the last year, and it's doing really good. It's performing like real nice.
That's so cool. So for you guys, it's more like an iterative process. You're iterating on it every year, making it better. You guys talked about how previously you've used AutoCAD and Inventor. Are you using a CAD tool for HiJinx now?
Yeah, so we use both Fusion 360 and Autodesk Inventor.
Okay.
And we use the desktop connector to kind of interchange in between those files. I do kind of the bigger design stuff in Inventor, and I'll push that to Fusion, and then I'll hand off different design tasks to different teammates who will take on designing part of it. I'll take what they've done, put it back into Inventor, and recalculate weights, and
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's super great.
Oh yeah, did we make any parts for you guys while we were here, like at the hospital? Were there any parts made that you guys needed?
Yeah, so we had some repairs that needed to get done after one of our fights where one of our drive modules was damaged, and over at the hospital, they're able to add some of the features that we found to be very necessary for those parts.
I see.
And now we've been able to build up a spare drive module for the bot, and that's been super helpful.
Okay.
They are right there. Oh yeah.
Is it in there already? Oh yeah, we can just zoom into that.
No, I can pull it out.
Nah, you don't gotta. If it's already in there, you don't gotta pull.
Yeah, it's not.
Not to show you how it broke.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good comparison.
Yeah.
That's a great shot of this.
That's
Yeah, so this looks pretty mangled.
yeah.
That got mangled.
You got to have a lot of spares if you want to get through a competition here.
Yeah, so the hospital was able to modify these for clearance for our motors, which is really super important so that we can run these reinforcements and encoder mounts and just have no problems if things become suboptimal. You actually see that this motor is still able to turn inside there because of that clearance that we were able to get.
Wow. Okay. No, I'm so glad we were able to make that for you guys.
Oh yeah, it was awesome.
That looks gnarly. Look at
That gearbox is not getting fixed, but we have spares of that, and we did not have spares of this.
Well, thank you so much for talking. This has been great meeting you guys.
Yeah.
And good luck on the competition. Good luck in the fights. We're rooting for you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.